Have you ever had a blemish on your big date night?
We have the perfect solution for you.
We've made a roll-on recipe with essential oils to help make your skin beautiful.
Our Blemish Soother Roll-On is just what you need.
Let's check out how to make it.
To make this recipe, you'll want to grab your recipe box. And we are using our February recipe box. We're going to find our labels, and we are going to find our recipe card. For this roll-on, we are going to use lavender and palmarosa essential oils. Both of these oils are very calming and soothing to the skin.
And from your big bonus box, you're going to want to grab one of your roll-on bottles and your almond oil. So let's get going on making it. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do for this recipe is grab your roll-on bottle, take the cap off. I've already done that.
And we are going to use 1 drop of palmarosa and 1 drop of lavender.
Now I'm going to add my almond oil.
She's just going to fill it the rest of the way to dilute those essential oils. And we are using about a 1% dilution right here because your skin on your face is very sensitive. And so we want to use a lower dilution rate.
Put the top back on, swirl it around, and it's ready to be used.
We'll just put a label on it. Otherwise, it's really easy to lose track of our recipe. And then you don't know what's in it, and then you don't use it. So make sure you label it.
To use, apply to your blemishes to make your skin more beautiful.
Roll-ons are great because you can put them in your purse, keep them in a drawer. They're super portable, and since they are already diluted, you can use them right on your skin.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box, and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
When you subscribe, each month we will send a recipe box to your door with 4 full-size essential oils and different recipes that teach you how to use essential oils.
Plus, the longer you're subscribed, the more cool bonuses you get.
Thanks for watching.
See you later. I have a recipe for that. I have a recipe for that. Check out this.